My first international tour. I was very excited. I was going on my first trip to another country. My family chose to visit France. I packed my bag with clothes and snacks. I could not wait for the adventure. The day of the trip came. We went to the airport in the morning. I saw many airplanes. My parents helped me check in. I felt a little nervous but also very happy. At the airport, we waited for our flight. I saw many people. They were from different countries. I heard different languages. I felt like I was in a new world. When our plane was ready, we got on. I sat by the window. I watched the ground as we took off. The city looked so small. I felt excited to fly to a new country. The flight took a long time. I watched movies and ate snacks. I looked out the window at the clouds. Finally, we landed in France. I could not believe I was here. At the airport, we went through customs. My parents helped me understand what to do. After that, we took our bags. We went outside into the warm weather. I felt so happy. Our first stop was Paris. The city was beautiful. I saw tall buildings and trees. Everything looked different from home. I took many pictures. We went to see the Eiffel Tower. It was huge. We took an elevator to the top. The view was amazing. I could see the whole city. After the Eiffel Tower, we had a picnic in a park. We ate sandwiches and tasty French pastries. The pastries were sweet and yummy. I loved trying new foods. The next day, we visited the Louvre Museum. I was excited to see famous art. The museum was very big. We walked through many rooms. I learned a lot about art. In the evening, we took a boat ride on the Seine River. The city looked beautiful at night. The lights were shining. It was a magical experience. On the third day, we went to Disneyland Paris. I had never been to a theme park before. It was so much fun. I met Mickey Mouse. I went on exciting rides. We spent the whole day at Disneyland. I laughed and played with my family. I did not want to leave. I was so happy to be there. As the trip ended, I felt sad. I did not want to leave France. But I was thankful for all the fun. I promised to come back one day. When we got home, I shared stories with my friends. I showed them all my pictures. My first international tour was amazing. I could not wait for my next trip.